In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code in Webflow. If you're looking to add unique styling, analytics, or any special functionalities to your website, incorporating custom code is the way to go. And don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step so no prior experience is necessary. First, we need to start by navigating to your Webflow dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project where you want to add the custom code. This action will open up your project overview. Here you'll find various settings and options related to your website. Next, you want to locate and click on the Project Settings button. This essential step is where we can access the necessary tools to implement your custom code. Once you've entered the project settings, you'll observe several tabs at the top of the page. These tabs help categorize all the options available for your site. Now go ahead and click on the Custom Code tab. This is the section specifically designated for adding and managing any custom scripts or HTML you may want to incorporate. Before proceeding further, ensure that your Webflow plan supports custom code. Most paid plans offer this functionality, but if you're on a free plan, you might encounter limitations. Make sure you've got the right plan to move forward seamlessly. Now that you've navigated to the custom code area, it's time to add your actual code. You'll notice there are two different areas here, one for head code and the other for footer code. Understanding where to place your code can depend on what the code is intended to do. Codes that affect the design or initial load of your site, such as CSS or essential scripts, could be positioned in the head code section. On the other hand, analytics scripts or anything that you want to load after the main content should go in the footer code. Choose carefully based on your specific requirements and paste your code into the appropriate box. Once you've added your custom code, don't forget to click Save Changes. It's always essential to save your work before moving on. This ensures that your code is stored and ready to be published on your site. The final step in this process is to publish your site. Only after publishing will the custom code take effect on your live website. You can do this by returning to your site dashboard and clicking on the Publish button. Just give it a moment, and once it's completed, your customizations should now be active and visible to the public. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added custom code to your Webflow project. This powerful feature allows for a wide range of customizations and optimizations, giving you the ability to tailor your site precisely to your preferences and needs. Thanks for watching, and happy